Evaporation is a natural process where liquid water transforms into vapor and escapes into the air. It happens because molecules in the liquid are constantly moving, and some gain enough energy to break free. When sunlight warms a puddle, its molecules absorb heat, increasing their speed and making escape more likely. The faster they move, the easier it becomes for them to overcome the attraction holding them together. This is why warm temperatures accelerate evaporation, while cooler conditions slow it down significantly. At the surface of the liquid, molecules with the highest energy are the first to leave. As they rise into the air, they carry heat away, which is why evaporation cools the remaining liquid. This cooling effect is the reason sweat helps regulate body temperature on a hot day. The surrounding air also plays a role because dry air accepts vapor more easily than humid air. When humidity is high, fewer molecules can escape, and evaporation slows dramatically. Wind can speed up the process by moving saturated air away and replacing it with drier air. That is why clothes dry faster on a breezy day compared to a still one. Pressure also matters because lower atmospheric pressure makes it easier for molecules to break free from the liquid. This is why water evaporates more quickly at high altitudes than at sea level. Evaporation is not just about puddles disappearing. It drives the water cycle that sustains life on Earth. Every cloud in the sky begins with countless molecules escaping silently from oceans, lakes, and rivers. This simple yet powerful process connects the ground to the atmosphere, shaping weather and climate across the planet. If you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up, comment, and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell so you never miss a new video.